Let's do a hotel room tour of the AC Hotel, Minneapolis downtown.
I booked this hotel with Marriott points for 27,000 points. This hotel had an open closet, and then there was this very large bench area and a larger than typical television screen. And then this was the desk. I wish it was bigger, but it was still pretty practical. I did like all the outlets right there though. The room also does have a fridge with complimentary water inside. And the view is of the street, which I actually did like quite a bit. They also had these 2 chairs to relax in. And then over towards the bed, again, there was a lot of outlets available. And the bed itself was quite comfortable. I really like the pillows here. And then as we head down towards the restroom, the shower was nice and large, and I really liked how tall it was. I also really liked the vanity area here, which was quite large and had lit mirrors, which I really appreciated. So I want to hear from you. If you were visiting Minneapolis, would you stay at this hotel? Let me know in the comments.